positive integers a, b, c, such that c is the largest and a is the smallest, and such that a plus b is a multiple of b minus a, and c plus b is a multiple of c minus b. If a is a 2011 digit number and b is a 2012 digit number, exactly how many digits does c have? We're given this right here, and we're also given this information right here, and this one. We know that b is less than c, and b has 2012 digits, so that tells us c has at least 2012 digits. So we know the minimum number of digits c has, so let's try to find the maximum number of digits c has. We're going to use this information right here. Let's just write this out. So b plus a is a multiple of b minus a, so we can write this as b minus a divides b plus a. And the same thing with the other one, c minus b divides c plus b. If we write this out, we can say that b plus a equals p times b minus a for some integer p greater than 1. And also c plus b is equal to q times c minus b for some integer q greater than 1. If we write this in terms of b and c, when you look at the first one, we get that b equals p plus 1 over p minus 1 times a. And that's just, tying together like terms and just rearranging this. And the same thing with this equation right here. We also get that c equals q plus 1 over q minus 1 times b. Don't forget that we're trying to maximize the value of c. To make c the maximum, a has to be the maximum, b has to be the maximum. So we're going to look at this integer right here. If we rewrite this, it becomes p minus 1 plus 2 over p minus 1. It's the same thing. We just rewrote the numerator. Then this is also the same as 1 plus 2 over p minus 1. And you can probably see that we know that this number right here has to be an integer, and it can only be an integer when p minus 1 divides 2. So we can maximize this value by letting p equal 2. Then this will equal 2, and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this value right here, and same with this value, the max is 3. Okay, then that means b can be maximized when, again, this number is 3, so b equals 3a. So let's try to think of the largest number of a possible, and that would be when we have 2011 nines. We have 2011 nines. And then b then would be 3 times this number, which would be 2, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, lots of 9s, and then 7. And we have 2010 nines right here. And it makes sense because b has 2012 digits, and this number right here has 2012 digits. Also, we know that c can be maximized when, again, this number right here is 3, and 3 times b. So the maximum of c will be 3 times this number right here. And that'll be, if you work it out, it becomes something like 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Lots of 9s. 1, and there's 2010 9s. Well, it's not important to know the exact value of c, but what we get is that even if we maximize the value of c as much as we can, we have a maximum of, in total, 2012 digits. So we found out the max number of digits that c has, but in the beginning we also said that because c is larger than b, c has at least 2012 digits, and also that now we just proved that c has at most 2012 digits. So therefore, c has exactly 2012 digits.